This is a demonstration provided by Lost Dutchman Mine Limited Liability Company. You are looking at a sample of gold with surrounding material provided to us by one of our customers. We wanted the customer to provide the sample and to be present at the demonstration so that they can see that we are using their material to conduct our test, and that they can see that everything is above board for purposes of this demonstration. We put the material into the Pyrex glass that you can see in the demonstration. We allowed the customer to examine the material to ensure that everything that was provided to us is being used in the sample. For purposes of this test, we are mixing the material provided by the customer with a beaker of sand. And notice how much sand there is in the beaker, because one of the things that our process does is remove a lot of this overburden when the gold or other precious metal is separated from the surrounding material. We wanted to do a hands-on demonstration so the customer could see the results themselves. So we've mixed in the customer's sample of gold with our sand, and now we're going to put it through our process. Our technology is proprietary, and so there are a certain amount of questions we can't answer. For purposes of this demonstration, we are allowing the gold to come out and be deposited on a paper on the floor. The way this process works is the source material is classified into sizes, or it's crushed to a uniform size, and then it passes through our process. In essence, the source material goes into one side, the overburden goes out the other side, and the gold is collected inside. Now, as I say, for purposes of this demonstration, the gold actually is allowed to drop down onto the material, onto the paper, so that the client can witness that the gold is being recovered, and at the same time see how little sand is being dropped out with the surrounding gold. We're going to take this material now and collect it and put it back into the beaker. And you'll see that there is very little overburden. In fact, we were very conservative in this demonstration, and we can further refine this process so that there would be less overburden than what you see. Our process does not use chemicals, and it does not use water, so it provides a very economical way for a mine operator to concentrate, or sweeten as we call it, the amount of precious material recovered from a ton of ore. In this case, the client was able to see visually how much gold had been recovered in our process. Essentially, all of the gold was recovered for the client, and we believe we can obtain far in excess of 5 ounces of gold or other precious mineral per ton. The technology is applicable to existing sites from abandoned mines, the tailings from those sites, hard rock mines, alluvial sands, and printed circuit boards. You can contact us with the contact form on the website, and we look forward to providing you the opportunity to have your own live demonstration.